Hi, this is Venkatesh. Watch this series to improve your logical skills. Int e equal to, in the brackets, inner brackets a plus b star c, division in a bracket c minus d modulo division b. This expression, how it is going to be executed, you will see. In programming language, operator precedence is present. According to operator precedence, this expression is going to be executed. First of all, I'll explain operator precedence. First category, brackets. These brackets also left to right. In that, innermost to outermost. Second category, multiplication, division, modulo division. In these three, whichever comes first from left to right, that order executed. Third category, addition, subtraction. In these two, whichever comes first left to right, that order executed. It is called operator precedence. According to this operator precedence, the expressions are executed. Operator precedence. First category, brackets. Second category, these three operators. Third category, these two operators. Okay, left to right, left to right, left to right. Here, innermost to outermost. See, the expression I am writing here. See here, first of all, brackets left to right. Here bracket, first this bracket, next this bracket. In this bracket, inner bracket is there. So first innermost to outermost. First a plus b. 10 plus 5. The result is 15. After this, star c value 3. 15 into 3, 45. Next, c minus d. First brackets. So c minus d. C value 3. D value 2. 3 minus 2, 1. It will be 1. Now, division, modulo division. Both are having equal priority. Left to right. So, first of all, division. 45 division 1. Then you'll get a 45. After that, modulo division b. B value 5. 45 modulo division 5. Remainder 0. So this value 0. So this program, if I compile and execute, output will be 0. Compile, run. See, output is 0. Okay.